MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. We'll start how we powered this boat with the upgraded Mercury 115 4-stroke. We've also added the teak inlay on the swim platform. Probably can't see it in the video, but this boat is a light blue hull color. We've added the port and starboard transom seats. At the helm, you have a 4-position backrest that'll give you a leaning post when it's faced forward, or your seat when it's faced back. New for the upgrade, they went with integrated fuel tanks, so you now have a 25-gallon fuel capacity. Underneath the helm seat is a live well on this boat. Making our way up to the helm, we've added the Raymarine Axiom GPS and fish finder to this boat. You've got your Raymarine VHF radio and your Fusion stereo. Also added the teak inlays on the gunnels. You do have some storage underneath the console of the boat. This boat does come equipped with the bimini top. And making our way forward, we've also included the fish package on this boat, which gives you the tackle storage on the side of the console, rod holders across the front of the console, and your removable cooler seat. This boat also has the trolling motor panel already installed from the factory. That's a real quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. If you'd like to see this boat in person or any of the other whalers we have in stock, contact me, Dean Ashton. I'd be happy to help you out.